In Israel, what happens to my estate if I die when I'm getting divorced? Hello, my name is Jay Hait. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with law offices located throughout Israel. So in Israel, if you die while you're in the process of getting divorced, the fate of your estate is going to depend on the presence or the absence of a will. Here are the general principles, okay? Number one, if you die and you do not have a will, then your estate is going to be handled according to the applicable laws of intestacy in Israel, okay? So the distribution of the assets is going to be determined by intestacy, which generally says that your spouse, even though you're in the middle of getting divorced, is going to get half of your assets, and your children, or if you don't have children, parents or other relatives, will get equal shares in the other half, okay? Which, by the way, is one of the reasons that I tell people, if you're going to start getting divorced, one of the first things that you should be doing is redoing your will. And as a matter of fact, for most of our clients, what we do is when we start the divorce process, we will make a new will for them so that we can make sure that their assets go where they want, because we've seen in the past where someone starts getting divorced and bam, they get run over by a bus, and that really was the case, by the way, and died, and half of the assets went to their spouse who they were in the middle of a divorce with, okay? So it's important to consult with a family law attorney or an estate planning attorney in Israel to understand the specific laws and regulations that are going to apply to your situation, and to get the guidance based on the details of your case to ensure that your estate is going to be handled the way that you want, taking into account the divorce proceeding that unfortunately you are in the middle of.